In this video, we will show you how to create a professional PowerPoint presentation that you love. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Picture and insert picture from this device. Duplicate it 2 times using Ctrl D. Select all, then align center and align middle. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Rotate. Press Ctrl Shift to make 2 duplicates. Select the shape with picture. Go to Shape Format, select Intersect from Merge Shape. Follow the same process for others. Select all, go to Picture Format, click on Picture Effect and select Inner Shadow. Add information about nature here. Click on right button, duplicate the slide, go to first slide, select these 3 and move them to the right side of the slide. Select text box, set to center, click on right button, go to size and position, click on text option, increase transparency to 100%. Also select background color using eyedropper. Go to second slide, go to transition, select Morph and increase duration also. Now click on slideshow. In today's video, you learn how to create a professional PowerPoint presentation. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.